guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and today we're gonna do another quick recap on what happened in the gold forex trading market today. If gold was on your wish list to trade, then you should definitely watch this video because I have some things to show you guys you would never see anywhere else. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Welcome back, guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and again, I'm just going to repeat, we're going to do a short recap of what happened today in the gold forex trading market. And oh freaking boy, did it go nuts! I'm so freaking excited to show you guys what happened today because it's been insane! I mean, usually, gold is one of those metals that kind of holds its value and it's kind of like a safe haven to invest, But sweet Jesus, today was absolutely freaking insane. Nobody saw this coming. So I'm so excited to jump right into these charts and show you guys what happened. Okay guys, so you should be able to see on the screen, I'm showing right now the chart for today for the XAUUSD trading market. I just love this already. Anyway, the first thing that obviously you will notice is that I'm not using your usual traditional candlestick chart because firstly, that's boring. Secondly, that's absolutely useless. And third, even if you try, you'll hardly understand what's happening in there. Anyways, the handsome looking chart I'm showing on the screen right now, it's called the Momentum Trading Indicator. And it is our TradeLabs own proprietary indicator, which is very unique and very good for you guys to use because just look at it. And it's very good at predicting the direction of the market. As you guys know, if you want to find any kind of success in forex trading of any kind, you need to get the direction right. If you don't get the direction right, then you'll forever struggle at trading forex, which if you want to improve, you'll never want to do that. Now, obviously you can see on the screen the set of green bars and the red bars. These are basically the actual market movement. And you can also see the, green areas and the red areas right here, or shapes if you want to call them. These are actually representing the direction of the market. Now, obviously, our algorithms are running in the background and everything is done for you just like that by one click of a mouse, making the chart very visually appealing and the signals very easy to identify, as well as notifying you of any kind of change in the market. Well, hello, that's exactly what you need. And ultimately, that's exactly what all forex traders want. There is no cluttered indicator or squiggly lines, or how would you understand? I always struggle. When I used to use the candlestick charts, this was absolutely crazy for me because it was insane to try to understand what the hell is happening there. Basically, TradeLabs is giving you the whole of this mess transformed into this beautiful chart, which is giving you from A to B exactly what you need in order to make really good decisions in your trading of forex. And of course, guys, this will work on the 1 minute chart, the 5 minute chart, all the charts if you want. But we definitely recommend for you guys to use our amazing brick bar charts because it's already included and it obviously looks so freaking much better. Now, let's be honest. Now, that being said, let's get right into today's positions and setups because I cannot wait to start unpacking this chart. Okay, so I am showing on screen right now the exact moment where the momentum trading indicator has alerted me this morning at around, 8:40. The fact that the market trend has changed or is starting to change and it's starting to go up. Now, of course, I went in. This was just the beginning of the day. So like I mentioned earlier, the actual momentum trading indicator is alerting you of the starting point of a trend or a change in the trend, just so you guys can continue doing your daily things, but the trading indicator is actually alerting you when it's time to come back and have a look at it. So this is where the actual long signal was alerted at a price of approximately 1855. So from the actual long signal where the momentum trading indicator has notified of the change, the actual chart went up and went green and up really strongly. It had a little bit of a break right here, as you can see, where we had a short signal and a long signal again, and this was just a short notice. However, this still went up afterwards to a crazy price point of 1869 roughly. Okay, so now also showing on the chart is the actual exit point, or where the momentum trading indicator has notified again of a change in the direction of the market, and it started to go down a bit only to go up again later on. Now obviously the gold forex trading market has been on a upward trend for today, which lasted since 8:30 in the morning until about 2:30 in the afternoon, with a gorgeous and absolutely amazing long signal. Now obviously if you do the math, 1872 minus the actual starting of the potential, which would be about 1853, would give you a piping hot 19 points. Now big attention to this, guys, because points are not pips, but I can tell you guys how to calculate your own pips. For those of you who know, you already know what I'm talking about, but this is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, if you want to calculate your points into pips, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to multiply the number of points with 100 and then you would get your pips. So we had 19 points times 100 gives you the potential of today's gold forex trading market was of 1900 pips. Also, obviously, I wouldn't be able to see this so clearly and with signals so strong and just in your face kind of information without the actual momentum trading indicator, which you can see on the screen right now. Again, this has completely changed the way that I'm looking at the trading market. Obviously, the gold forex trading market has seen better days, but boy, oh boy, was today powerful. Now, for those of you guys who have actually followed through and seen this trend today, and actually took the actions at the point where you needed to take the actions, you would have been on profit by a potential of 1900 pips. I just want to take a screenshot of this, frame it, and just hang it in my living room wall, because this is the dream. And you would be potentially 1900 pips in profit from the XAUUSD trading market today. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video, and oh my god, just again, I will definitely have sweet dreams tonight. So that was it for today's video, you guys, and boy oh boy was that an amazing crazy day that just went all over to the top. Just like that. Anyways, if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. I'm watching you. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you would like to try our new trend trading indicator, then don't forget to click the link below and sign up for a free trial.